Javed Jaffri और माधुरी दीक्षित.
हाँ,
What did you just do?
that was the song. शुक्रिया मेहरबान.
बाला सर.
Ah, Bala sir.
We were performing for people, and now a lot of the time you have to perform for an algorithm.
Yeah.
And I thought, shit.
Was there a lot of pressure because Ayushmann did Vicky Donor?
That never happened with me, Amit. But thanks.
Hey, no, Naveen Richard really liked that. Okay?
Yeah.
Naveen.
Best dressed
I was
person
the
at Channel
killer.
V. Because everyone was dressed like a hobo at Channel V except Arshad
Arshad
Saeed.
Saeed.
Yeah.
Arshad Saeed. Dehi surahi taza pani o mere jani o to khund pilati ja o teri meherbani. Do you think VJs were the OG influencers? I've been actually asked this question a lot of times.
Yeah, I think
And I
so.
wish I could remember the answer because people will go to चार
It's
बजे
like
अलग
a
आंसर दिया तूने.
yes, but without the paid partnerships and money.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true. I don't know if I can answer this question because I don't know what
No,
influencers
100%.
means even now. But
were.
yeah, I think
They were.
Yeah,
But
younger
God has
and-
something very wise once. Says a lot of wise things. But he said, when we were doing it, we were performing for people. And now a lot of the time you have to perform for an algorithm.
Yeah.
And I thought, shit, he's hit the nail on the head,
It's so bizarre that you pick this question because what I would get in early days of AIB was that, oh, you guys are like the new VJs.
Yeah.
You know, saying like, oh, this is the non-film, non-this thing. This is for what young people are
Yeah.
watching.
New Venn diagram.
Yeah, new Venn diagram.
2.0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
YouTube was the new MTV.
क्योंकि देखो लोग कपड़े भी देखते थे कि ये इस टाइप के ये कपड़े पहनना कूल है.
Correct.
ये सब
That
और
never happened with me, Amit. But thanks.
Hey, no, Naveen Richard really liked that. Okay?
yeah.
Naveen was a
You
big
should have
fan.
started a sari brand in partnership with Naveen Richards. Okay. Next.
Next
You
question.
want us to
I
pick
think
one
we can
up?
pick
Guess
up the
one?
next jet.
Anu, you want to go next?
Sure. Your favorite VJs of those times. I have to say my first, for me, the ultimate has always been Javed Jaffri. I think singularly, like the most talented person. I also love that Timex Time Pass.
Variyo sutto jhoole
Yeah,
lal
that
pappi
Queenie
lehri su
Singh
kamal.
character.
Ding, 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 ding. But he can touch this.
Outstanding. Outstanding.
This
He
character.
was just
He was
superb.
Show, what
very
is the
good
show?
with characters.
Called Timex Time Pass. He used to play
Timex
many
Time
characters.
Talk about branded content.
Yeah.
Like till
Yeah.
now. You remember Videocon Flashback
Yes.
and Timex Time
Time
Pass.
Pass.
And BPLOA.
BPLO.
BPLOA.
I
Yeah.
did BPLO.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. So he used to host a show. I actually never saw Javed Jaffri as a VJ.
Again, mid-90s.
Yeah.
Again
I was in
he
school.
was, it was quite interesting because he used to do just these two shows. So there's two different kinds of VJs. One was the people who, like you said, Neelam did that show, Javed did that show. Then there was the VJs who were namak chini, na, har cheez mein डाल दो. So I could do whatever. One day I'm doing this show, one day I'm doing that show, one day on the street, one day on stage. So we would end up doing a lot of that stuff and see kind of what fits and what works. But he was specifically for I think those two shows.
Very Sunil Groverish in that sense, which is
Yeah.
Sunil Grover is too talented to do something generic.
Yeah,
you have to do a character or a thing.
Yeah.
He used to
And
do,
that was his skill. I mean, he was so good at that obviously then you optimize that, right?
Correct.
The scripts were very good. There was Imtiaz Baghdadi and Arshad Saeed. used to
Saeed.
write his
Arshad Saeed
scripts.
was legendary. He wrote every major comedy show in that era.
And he wrote my first film also, which was a scary film, but he turned it into a comedy.
Also the best dressed
I was
person
the
at
killer.
Channel V.
Who?
Because everyone was dressed like a hobo at Channel V except Arshad
Arshad
Saeed.
Saeed.
Yeah.
Arshad Saeed.
Yeah.
Arshad Saeed made me a villain in that film. The first film I did called Shh. It was called Shh. That's what was the sound in the theatre when it was playing as well, because there was nobody.
Was there a lot of pressure because Ayushmann did Vicky Donor? Ayushmann, this was way before Ayushmann did
Dude,
Vicky Donor.
way before means I'm talking about black and white here.
Yeah, way
Bro, it
before.
was a black and white film.
Koey was black and no, shut up.
But a lot of VJs actually came in movies. Like Kamal Sidhu, I remember, was in a Jackie Shroff movie. There's some murder thriller she was in. I don't remember the name right now.
Crazy.
100
Kamal
Days?
Sidhu.
नहीं 100
That was
days
Javed
नहीं.
Jaffri.
Javed Jaffri.
हाँ
But crazy. Kamal Sidhu also. Yeah.
नहीं 100 days में जैकी श्रॉफ था.
जैकी श्रॉफ और जावेद जाफरी और माधुरी दीक्षित.
हाँ.
What did you just do?
That was the song. शुक्रिया मेहरबान.
बाला सर.
Ah, Bala sir.
Cinderella. Lyrics. I was recounting this to somebody last night. We were at one commune off site, and some of those kids. I said, "Let me tell you." You talk about inappropriate. How inappropriate it was mid '90s. Bala sir has done a song for Salman Khan, and the lyrics are. Sing it only. नहीं सुराही ताज़ा पानी ओ मेरे जानी ओ तो घूंट पिलाती जा ओ तेरी मेहरबानी. Think about this.
No.
Now think about it. Of course, as a kid, we were all singing these songs, realizing you are basically running behind a virgin saying, like, give me some.
Give me some.
What?
There's some trailer for some movie I just saw, and someone said mammoplasty, and I was like, "वो क्या होता है?" And they said संतरे से कलिंगड. The sheer poetry of this line.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, favorite VJs from the time. Javed Jafri. Anu said Javed Jafri. Javed Jafri was.
I would say Ruby Bhatia because one, she was like that bridge as we were talking earlier.
Yeah.
English, Hindi ke beech ki. And her Vox Pops, I remember, was fantastic at that time. She was very good on Vox Pops.
Yeah. There's something about, you could just throw her into, there's some people who are just very good,
Huh.
working with crowds. Like UD,
Yes.
my
UD was very
dearest
good.
buddy. UD would, you throw him into a crowd, you throw him into a situation, you make him do some stuff. He would just, so he was doing a show called We Dares You, where they would go on the street and dare people to do stuff. He was the best at
Yeah, I
it.
remember.
Because यार मैं फिर भी ना अब क्या है कि बंटी जाता नहीं है ना तो थोड़ी शर्म आ जाती है यार कि मैं नहीं कर सकता, कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है वो करने का. उसमें भगवान का दिया इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है, वो किसी को कंधे पे बैठ के एक लिंक कर रहा है, किसी को कहीं और ले गया, कहीं कूद गया, किसी के साथ कुछ कर लिया. तो ये भी अलग अलग स्किल होती थी उस टाइम पे.
What was interesting was because she's getting into crowds, she's talking to guys. She's an NRI. Like you, it's very easy to be out of place with with the kind of crowd you are with. But she would fit in and she would like go on and do it very well. मुझे वो बताता था कि अरे she handles every crowd so well. मुझे Vox Pops उसके.
I really liked what Munna did with Udham Singh. And I know Munna from Delhi. Our families know each other. So while he became this character, I was not a VJ then. And I remember meeting him once and I said,
Manish Makhija was his
Manish
name, right?
Makhija.
हाँ.
So I was on radio at the time. मैंने कहा भाई मुझे भी करना है ये. And then he looks at me and says, तो आ जाना मैदान में. That was all the motivational talk I needed. More about motivational speaking. Click the link here. So and I'll never forget. It's a great VJ story which has nothing to do with VJing. When I became a VJ, Munna's mum knew my parents. So Munna's mum called my mum and saying, वो कह रहा है कि गौरव को घर भेजो. He wants to meet him. He was also in Delhi. So I went to meet him. He says, सुन, जो भी करेगा, contract मत sign करियो. I don't know why he said that, but he said मत sign करियो, पकड़ लेंगे. And it was a full conspiracy theory. वो ना ट्रैप कर लेते हैं फिर तेरे को, कागज मत साइन करियो, ठीक है. मैंने कहा ठीक है. I got a contract. दिया मेरे को, मैंने अपने ड्रॉर में डाल दिया. चेक आ गया महीने के एंड में, अगले महीने भी आ गया, अगले महीने भी आता ही रहा, मैंने साइन ही नहीं किया.
गौरव thinking नहीं साइन करने से पैसे मिलते.
यार ये तो अच्छी एडवाइस दी थी भाई ने. 1.5 साल बाद channel we merged with Star and Star was doing the Star Screen Awards. So they told me that you have to host the Star Screen Awards. मैंने कहा हाँ जी भाई आ जाएंगे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. You and me and Amisha Patel I think वो hosted, right? मैंने कहा जब बताओ भाई, हिसाब किताब बताओ, व्यवहार की बात हो जाए, पैसा कितना दोगे. कहते पैसा तो नहीं देंगे. मैंने कहा ये क्या मतलब है. कहते पर तो चैनल भी, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली. मैंने कहा ये तो गलत बात है यार. 400 लोग काम कर रहे हैं स्टोर पे, 399 को पैसे मिल रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं मिल रहे, तो गलत बात है. फिर सडनली आई थिंक समीर नायर या किसी, इट्स इन योर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. मैंने कहा if it's in my contract, then I must do it.
हाँ.
Can HR just show me if it's in my contract? भाई बिल्डिंग की ईंट पत्थर हिल गई कि ये 21 साल का लौंडा दिल्ली से आके बिना कागज के काम कर रहा है. And I'd basically kind of embarrassed HR, right? Which is probably making me very popular with corporate India right now. So they said, भाई ये आदमी बिना उसके काम कर रहा है. So then of course, then I had to sign the paper, but I got paid money. ये glitch in the matrix कैसे exist कर? Thanks to Munna.
I think I grew up in the two Cyrus era, and Cyrus Brocha was extremely popular.
Yeah.
Like Bakra made him. He was also like. By the way, I still listen to Cyrus's pod sometimes, and I go like, he hasn't changed.
He's the same
Cyrus
guy.
is
He's
the
nothing
same.
if not consistent.
Yeah. Cyrus is like, he looks the same, he's built the same, he talks the same. But yeah, Bakra was the most popular show at that time. I remember I think the most popular episode was that girl pranking Rahul Dravid. Do we remember that episode?
Yeah.
Taking a video to send to Brocha. I'll be very happy. Carry on.
Yeah, nothing. So anyway, this Saukar was damn good. Okay. No, Bakra was the most popular show. Cyrus was the most popular VJ. There was a specific episode where this girl is supposed to come into Rahul Dravid's dressing room. Yeah, and she's supposed to like seduce Dravid. Okay, and Dravid, being Dravid, is eating like he's eating dal chawal, and he's telling her like, you should focus on your studies and like, what are you doing and all this stuff.
I remember
Don't do
this.
things like this.
Don't do
I
things
remember
like
this
those.
really well. Mud Island, they shot it.
Yeah, really popular episode. Then once in a while, Bakra would do an episode where they would prank Cyrus, right? And Cyrus
They
would
kidnapped him once.
Huh?
They kidnapped him. You know this. They kidnapped Saukar, sorry.
They kidnapped
They
Saukar.
kidnapped him. Poor guy, no wonder he's got so much trauma even now. बेचारी की मेरे भाई की एंजाइटी नहीं बंद होती क्योंकि ये सब काम करा उसके साथ इन्होंने. So kidnap करके ले गए थे.
Yeah. I remember one episode where Cyrus is supposed to dress up as an Arab man and go to like a TV shop and just say things like, "Oh, I'm going to buy the whole store," and etc. etc. I want to buy everything. And the crew was trying to pull a fast one on Cyrus. So they told the shop owner that you have to get really pissed off at Cyrus. Cyrus said you have to yell at him and chase him out of the store and all. And the car drove away. So that was the first time I saw Cyrus be himself. So he said like, and all he said on camera, and you could hear you would just hear mother beep. Like, we don't know what that's about. You could see him say loudly and it would get beeped and all. So it was like a moment of like he's also like just like us, bro. Like that's kind of crazy.
But I've heard he got beaten up a few times also because of
He
Bakra.
must have.
That had nothing to do with his work.
No.
Yeah, Broch. Why do you think now he's become this tank?
Yeah.
Brocha, it's so funny because I keep telling Brocha, I said, you're an MTV VJ, but now your body looks like Channel V.
Dude, he left Big Boss to work out, bro. Like, I have so much respect for
Because he wasn't getting enough eggs. Tanmay.
Yeah, crazy. What a guy.
Brocha is still.
वो पॉडकास्ट में वो लगता है कि साइरस गेट समबडी सो दैट ही कैन टॉक.
तो मुझे याद है मेरे फेवरेट शो जो एक किया था जिसपे अब वासन बाला ने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री भी बना दी है. Colossal Chaos Countdown. मेरा एक प्रोड्यूसर था जीतू. जीतू को बड़ा शौक था बी ग्रेड फिल्म्स का और मुझे तो हर फिल्म का शौक है. तो बी ग्रेड का तो बहुत शौक है मेरे को.
You did also a few.
Exactly. Which, by the way, were not B grade when I started working on them.
The couches look very different then.
I magically converted them. Jeetu says, "Arey Gaurav yaar," he used to talk. "Arey Gaurav yaar, ये शो बनाए क्या B grade फिल्म पे?" मैंने कहा हाँ बनाते. चल ठीक है. And ये शो बनना शुरू हो गया जिसमें एक बार एक शो का cast. So the show ka cast, the film ka cast would come on the show, and I would talk to them. For me, sociologically and psychologically, it was very interesting because you are doing this ridiculous thing, but do you believe it's ridiculous? But they would all talk like it's serious. Like the girls in a film, for example, there was a film called
Havas.
Basant. वो very
That's
low hanging
the
fruit.
second movie.
बसंती की शादी हनीमून गब्बर का. Real film.
Oh.
बसंती की शादी जिसका cast आया था and I'm talking to the
I saw
girl
it,
who's in the
decent.
film. It was good.
3 stars.
She's like, I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan. I want to work with Salman Khan. Now, you naturally would obviously want to laugh when somebody says that. But for me, it was an interesting exercise in empathy as well because this is her dream and it's real. Like, she really wants to do it. She believes. And then I got offered a film by one of the producers saying,
आप में कुछ बात है.
आपको नाम है ऐसे. Just, you know, when somebody just goes, क्या हो गया सर? आपको नाम है आइडिया है मेरे पास. बताइए. अगली फिल्म है ना मैं आपको विलन बनाना चाहता हूँ. आप किलर होंगे. मैंने कहा सर मैंने ना अभी एक फिल्म करी है उसमें मैं किलर था. स्पॉइलर.
What the?
उसमें मैं किलर था तो मुझे ना रिपीट नहीं करना चाहिए. कहता नहीं पर ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. मैंने कहा क्यों? कहता यू विल बी अ किलर ऑन स्केट्स.
Oh,
आप स्केट्स पे जाके लोगों का मर्डर करेंगे.
that's way more masculine.
Yeah. So I said some dates and all. I said it sounds very interesting, but I don't have the dates and all. Channel is taking all my dates. 1 day a week.
Actually, I have a contract with Channel V.
Now, which forbids me. Let's call back.
But once, based on this guy came up to me and said, you know, I love Lola, and given your image as Lola, I want to offer you this role. It's a sex-obsessed, drug addict, alcoholic.
That's what I think when I think
Yeah,
of Lola.
I was like, wow,
First.
the brand fit.
Yes,
Method,
yes.
method acting.
That's what I always thought. That Lola seems like a drug addict.
Yeah.
At this point in time, we must tell people we're talking about Lola Kutti, not Lola Palooza.
Yes.
People are thinking.
Can we
Alright,
pick up the next shit?
Do you enjoy reality shows of today? Which ones?
I actually don't watch any reality shows, so I don't know.
I think now I
Master Chef is the only reality show I watch.
By the way, लोगों को पता होना चाहिए रियलिटी शो में कोई रियलिटी नहीं.
Coach नहीं होता.
हाँ.
ठीक है इतना बता दें आपको. बस.
I've heard there's a lot of craze of reality shows. I never like मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, but Big Boss
quite nuts. Yeah, I think Big Boss is the most popular. I was on season 1 of India's Got Talent. I was writing. That was back when I was writing for television. They used to have a spin-off show called India's Got More Talent. Okay, which Roshni Chopra used to host. It used to come 30 minutes after India's Got Talent, where all the rejected acts of India's Got Talent would come in. India's Got More. It was supposed to be a comedy show only. So the craze was very real. And on the day, we were largely unscripted until on the day, where we would literally show up to Jaipur and there's massive auditions happening in Jaipur. The crew would know, okay, here are the 10 acts that we definitely need to can because they're really good acts. And they would give us a separate list of here are all the Pudru people who will likely not. वो montage में कट जाएंगे तुम लोग के लिए तो shoot कर सकते रहे. So there was one guy who was playing Ravan. I remember we used to get the acts for 10, 15 minutes so to make our show. There's a guy who was playing a character of Ravan and he had to like laugh and bellow really loudly. He shot with us and we shot so much with him that when he went on the main stage, he lost his voice. This was the first episode that we were doing. So India's Got More Talent became notorious for like ये ना के main show खराब करके जाएगा. इनका छोटा show है कोने में comedy करना है इनको. It was very bad. Poor Roshni got yelled at.
Now the reality show that I watch is India's Got Latent.
India's Got Latent. I mean, reverse हो गया वो.
At that time, now when reality shows happened, and I think for 15 years, the line spoken most on the radio with the entire crew, the talkback is इसको पकड़ ये रोएगा इसको पकड़ ये बाहर आ रहा है ये कंटेस्टेंट बाहर है इसको पकड़ ये रोएगा they would just be screaming at each other because that's all is required. I mean now like I always say that GC the most spoken line is moment बनाते हैं moment is a Hindi word now. moment बनाते हैं moment. So that time used to be रोएगा इसके पीछे रोएगा.
Yeah, we used to have, so when I used to write a ton of reality shows, I would literally have documents, like a 25-page document called break links. Okay, this is just like 100 different ways of saying, chaliye lete hai chota sa break. But different ways of saying the same thing. Different comeback links. Like, I have to come back from break. I have to just find a creative way to say welcome back.
Have you all been offered to go on Big Boss?
I was asked.
I've got
for like 3-4 years.
Yeah.
I was asked.
Every year first few years
3 years.
that खतरों के खिलाड़ी everything मैंने कहा देखो भाई once one director said यार I really want to do वो Man vs Wild है ना वो करना है तेरे साथ. मैंने कहा हाँ भाई मैं रेडी हूँ बस एक काम करिए 2-3 किलोमीटर आसपास में कॉफी शॉप होनी चाहिए. कहता है हाँ तू ना बोल रहे मेरे को. पागल है जंगल में जाके.
They once said for Nach Baliye, why don't you and Alex go?
I would have watched that. I would have watched
They
it.
only said that because what was Jhalak Dikhla Ja, na?
Yeah.
Sony had approached me and then Star was like, no, we can't let you go because you're a...
Are you talking about Nach? Yeah, Nach Baliye. Nach Baliye was the one with partners.
Yes,
Correct.
yes. So because I couldn't do Sony's, because they said, no, you're a star character, you can't go on Sony. Why don't you think about going on our show, Nach Baliye with Alex? And I was like,
I would have watched that.
I would have 100% watched that.
I would have even voted for it.
Yes. I would have
You would have
voted.
my
been so
landline.
shy, bicharo.
On my landline, I would have called in.
Press 2 by calling 7878. I have sent Amit Sana so many votes through my landline.
Are you serious?
Yeah, big fan of Amit Sana. Yeah.
Who came second, by the
Who
way?
came second?
Amit,
Very
who
sadly,
he came,
very
yeah.
sadly.
He was the channel V of Indian
But
Idol.
Raju Srivastava came third, remember? Yeah. Sunil Pal won the show, remember that?
One sec. Which one?
Laughter challenge first.
Sunil Pal won.
But not Amit Sana was Abhijit, Amit Sana, and Rahul Vedya came
Rahul
third.
Vedya came third, yeah.
Who's actually earning the most money now.
Rahul Vedya, yeah. And Raju Srivastava was the best also. Ehsan Qureshi was number 2. People forget.
Oh, he said Ehsan Qureshi.
Great Indian
I
Laughter
suddenly
Challenge
thought
actually.
Ehsan
a lot of-
Nurani.
No, no.
No, not.